Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Hairia Fitri Ramadhani with name 24_033. I will here explain the results of a sociological mini research in Duko Timur Village, Larangan, Pamekasan. Introduction. Duko Timur Village, or what was previously called Duko Timur, is one of the villages on the island of Madura. This village is located in Larangan District, Pamekasan Regency. This village is in the lowlands with an altitude of 131 meters above sea level. Duko Timur Village is dominated by lowlands with fertile soil that supports local agriculture. The distance from the village to the Larangan district of Vice is 6 km, while the distance from the village to the city of Pamekasan is 17 km. This makes Duko Timur village have fairly good access to economic and administrative centers in Pamekasan, which facilitates trade and distribution of products from the village. Duko Timur village has 9 hamlets. The majority of the people in Duko Timur village are farmers. This village also has a culture that is strong with religious values. The social structure is characterized by close family relationship and Madura's customs. The agricultural sector is the backbone of the economy, with the main commodities being rice and corn. Another economic activity is that some people, especially Pasar Hamlet people, many become traders because they are close to the market. Main discussion: social groups and social dynamics. In Duko Timur village, the social groups that were formed were farmer groups, women's groups such as social gatherings and Muslimatan activities, young groups, students, and small teenagers. Each village has traditions and customs such as Torontana and Pelet Beteng or 7 months pregnant, which are still strongly maintained by the people of Duko Timur village. This shows the dynamic between maintaining traditional values and the influence of modernization. Relevant theories: structural functionalism explains how social structures maintains balance, and symbolic interaction explains how social interactions shape meaning and identity. The influence on the community of Duko Timur village is to increase the sense of togetherness, solidarity, and community participation in village development. Social stratification and social mobility. In the village of Duko Timur, there is a social stratification structure based on 1. Economic ownership. Society is divided into rich groups, large landowners, or successful entrepreneurs, and poor groups, farm laborers and casual workers. 2. Religious role. Religious figures such as Kiai and Ustad and their descendants have highly respect positions and occupy high social strata. They are often used as role models in everyday life. Strong religious traditions and the existence of Islamic boarding school in Duko Timur village make this status highly valued in society. 3. Education. Individuals who have higher education, such as teachers and government employees, have a better social status compared to people who do not have formal education. And 4. Village leader or head. The village head has a high social status and is most respect because the village head is the leader and has the highest social status in the village community structure. Social mobility in the Duko Timur village community tends to be limited, especially upward vertical mobility. Relevant theories: stratification theory explains social inequality, and social mobility theory explains the movement of individuals between social layers. The impact on society can affect access to education, health, and employment opportunities. Cultural ecology and societal adaptation. The community has adapted to the surrounding natural environment, such as utilizing natural resources for agriculture. The people of Duko Timur village are also adapting to environmental change through organic farming and water conservation. Young people and students at one of the Islamic boarding schools in Duka Timur village are also adapting to sustainable agriculture by implementing a hydroponic farming system. The influence of globalization brings change to people's lifestyles and values. Relevant theory, cultural ecological, explains the relationship between culture and the environment. The effect is to increase food security, reduce environmental impacts, and increase farmer income. Gender and development issue. Women in Duka Timur village still face difficulties in accessing education and employment opportunities. Women have a lower level of education than men. Many girls are not allowed to pursue higher education simply because they think they can't become anything and will end up in the kitchen. That is why many women have only graduated from elementary school and at most have graduated from high school. Women's participation is still limited in decision making. Relevant theory, feminism explains gender inequality. Data or fact, BPS data 2020 shows that 60% of women in Duka Timur village do not have access to formal education. Influences women's quality of life, gender equality, and village development. Social change and development. The social change that occurred in Duka Timur village were quite rapid, especially in the economic and educational fields. Awareness of the importance of education is increasing. Although accessibility challenges remain, village children continue their education to a higher level than previous generations. The development of Duka Timur village still focus on physical infrastructure, namely repairing and hardening roads to facilitate transportation access. This is also due to support from the government and the existence of village funds. Meanwhile, human development in Duka Timur village still needs to be improved. Relevant theory. Theory of social change explains the process of social change in society. Data or facts construction of the Duka Timur village road 2020 increased accessibility by 40%. Effect improving the economy, expanding employment opportunities, and improving people's quality of life. Next, closing. To overcome problems and support village development, several recommended solutions or strategies can be provided. A. Strengthening local values, preserving positive traditions and customs while encouraging innovation and adaptation to changing times. B. Increasing access to education, expanding access to quality education for all citizens, especially women. C. Women's empowerment, providing space for women to participate in decision making and village development. D. Local economic development, encouraging the development of small and medium business and the sustainable agricultural sector. E. Infrastructure improvement, improving basic infrastructure such as roads, irrigation, sanitation, and public facilities. F. Strengthening community participation, actively involving the community in planning and implementing development. That is all from me, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.